Hi, clinical instructors. I just sent you all a competency and weekly updates for either respiratory 206 or respiratory 104. Whatever happened, there were some competencies that weren't correct, and kudos to one of your instructors that let me know this so that we can rectify it early on. Unfortunately, what you're probably going to have to do is go in and re-edit what you currently have and put it on these particular sheets. I apologize for the inconvenience, but it's something that has to be done. For those of you having issues sharing the template, I sent it to you in an email. So for respiratory 206 competency, if you click it on, just to give you an idea, you can put in whatever your grade is, and it should automatically grade as you put these in. Once you're done, you put the student's name, everything is correct, you put your name here, put whatever color you're going to put the grade in, and you want to share it. Once you share it, this is the place that you're going to put in my email address, which is pnolan@ccbcmd.edu. And then you're going to send it, and I should get it at the end of each rotation. If this isn't clear, let me know, but this will be done the exact same way when you do the weeklies as well. I'm going to go back just quickly if I can and show you what I'm talking about. So if you go into your weekly evaluations, I would appreciate if you put the date that you have the student when you're doing the weekly evaluation. And then if they were not there, the student's name. If they weren't there, just say at specialty and then leave the score blank, so it kind of keeps you aware of what you need to do and what week you need to chart in. Any questions, give me a holler. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience.